Good morning, my dear friends. So, I hope everyone is good and safe at home, right? And I think you are enjoying online classes also, writing notes also. Yes, I believe that everyone is working on all subjects, including English also. So soon you may get good news for the school opening, all those things. But again, we have waited for so many months. So let's wait for another few days. Yes or no? So, my dear friends, so with the same spirits, with the same smile, with the same hope and same belief, so just wait for the moment, wait for a few days, so soon everything will be okay. So, with that hope, with that belief only, so let's go further. So, today let's discuss about this beautiful poem, that is If. And that the poem name is If. So, giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. Okay. So, you might have learned from your elders, from your parents, from your grandfather, grandmother, from your teacher that in your life giving is very important. So giving in the sense giving someone something, you may give anything, but you must yourself be kind, means you must be happy for giving the things. And for giving you should not hesitate. Okay, you should not feel that I am giving, I am helping, and you should not feel that I am giving this for my goodness. Okay, you should not think that also. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind. So if you want to give someone, first you have to be very strong. You should have the mindset of the charitable, and at the same time you should not hesitate while giving something. So this is beautiful poem, so let's start. If we have a kind word to say it now. So, very beautiful poem it is. If you have a kind word to say it now. See, if you want to say anything about a person's good things, a word, if you want to express, say it now only. If you have something to give it now. If you are giving, if you want to give something to anyone, then give it now. It may be any gift, it may be a valuable time, it may be your your beautiful smile, or it may be any kind help. Okay, some students are poor in your class. Okay, some students are very rich. Okay, some students are not able to take the textbook also. For them, if you help also, it will be like giving something. So that's why if you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, so if you want to keep someone happy for sometimes, if you want to give time to someone, give it now. Huh? If you want to make someone smile on their faces, then do it now, because we don't know what tomorrow brings for you. So, if there is good news to give it now. So, if you are holding a good news, if you are having a good news, then don't hold it for the more time. If you are having good news, then give it now. If there is a friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, if there is a friendship to show, maybe you might have liked in your class. Okay, it may be your good person. If you want to make friendship, hmm, so then hope to raise, and so you can say that if there is a friendship to show, then show it now only, because it is only the time you have to show. If you have trust to best home, give it now. Okay, if you believe someone, if you want to give something to someone, okay, if you want to speak with someone, then speak with now only. If you want to share something with the persons, if you want to give something back immediately, then give it now only. Then don't wait for the moment. If there is a courage to give pain, you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, if the person is getting irritated, then leave that place. Okay, if the person is very happy with your company, then give more time to that person and spend as much as possible, as much as your valuable time. If there is a courage to give. If there is a pain to take, then take. If someone you can please, do it now, do it now. Okay, so refrains. This poem is all about saying, if you are very kind person, if you are very humble, if you want to give something to someone, okay, if you are very capable of donating something, if you are very capable, if you are very strong, if you are if you are having the charitable mind, go and charity, go and help to students, go and help to the someone needy persons. It doesn't mean that you have to help your students only, your classmates only. So you may help to the needy persons, beggars, or the exactly needy persons, with your parents permission. Okay, so give something whichever is possible from your end. So that's why giving is an important life, giving is important in life. So to give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. The first line of poem says that word only. hmm? If you want to give something to someone, first you have to be very strong, first you have to be very kind, first you have to be very charitable in your mind. So if you have a kind words to say it now. Okay, so if you want to say something good words to someone, then we don't wait for the moment, don't wait till tomorrow, Monday, day after tomorrow, or for sometimes some days. If you want to say kind words to something, say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you want to give really something to someone, valuable things, it may be your word, it may be your time, it may be anything which is acceptable, which you give, means they will be happy. By giving you may be happy, that kind of things you give. If you can make someone's glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you want to keep someone happy, if you want to say someone happy, if you want to give something happiness, okay, then don't wait for the moment. Go and spend the time with those peoples, and as much as possible give less pain to them. So though do you don't want to waste the time, because do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is good news to give it now. Yes, obviously you may be having some good news. Okay, maybe your birthday, or you might have constructed a new house. Okay, so if you want to give, if you want to say good news to your friend, so then don't wait for the moment, just go and tell. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can rise, do it now, do it now, do it now. So if you want to make friendship with someone, a good persons, a good classmates, okay, then don't wait further. So go and do it. If you have trust to best home, give it now. If you really believe someone, if you want to show care and concern to someone, then don't wait for the moment, just go and give means tell and come. If there is a courage to give pain, you can else or someone, you can please do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, so if you have courage to inspire someone, if you have courage to tell something good to someone, then don't wait for the moment, just go and tell. Then here refrain is there, now before it is too late, now the time for the good deed, do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. So regarding this, we can write a number of pages. So now before it is too late. So sometimes what happens, you may be having time in future, you may be having something to tell important to the persons, but the persons you may not get in next time. So now it is time to tell, now it is time to be good with everyone. Okay, try to be happy with everyone, try to excuse, try to forgive all the mistakes of the persons, of your friends, your parents, or someone in your life. Okay, do not wait until tomorrow. If you want to forgive someone, if you want to give excuse, if you want to give something to someone, don't wait for the tomorrow, don't wait until tomorrow. Hmm? If you want to really say something, if you want to really give something to someone, then don't wait exactly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. It may be a little things for you. So by waiting one day, so you may think that, hey, one day wait ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, just one day is not much this thing, one day wait ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. So if you are thinking like that, so some people, that one day may be 1 month, one day may be 1 year, one day may be, okay, so 10 days. So if you want to give really something to someone, don't wait till the end and all. Okay, now see some glossaries. Best friend of someone, that is give something. Pain you can ace means free someone from the pain or worry. Okay, talking about the poem, take turns with your partner to ask the or questions, answers these questions. Explain to how him or her why you think your answer is correct. Quote from the poem if necessary. The poem is addressing a kind man. Absolutely, it is true. The poet is not taking about the good deed that we can do. That is false, because here the author is taking about the good work only. How can you make someone glad or someone less sad? Can you give an example? Yes. Say example we can give easily. Okay. How can you make someone glad? If you give exactly something to the needy persons, definitely they will say very happy. Definitely they will thanks to you from so many times. Or someone less sad. If someone is really sad, you should not sit before that person and sit idle. You should try to speak with that person and ask him or her, or ask them to be cool. The poet is saying about, we are saying you should prize people in order to give favor. Uh, yes. The poet is saying you have to be strong yourself to do good to others. Yes, absolutely right. If you want to do something good to someone, then you should be strong and you should be very glad to others. Okay. A poem is assuming you may not have a forceful personality. Yes, it is not there like that. The poem is advising you to develop a forceful personalities, underline the true statements. So here the author is saying the poet is advising you to drive or develop a forceful personality. Okay, underline the true statements. So now just I read the question answers. So I'll send the question answers. Don't worry. So let's once again read the poem. Giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. If you have a kind word to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is a good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise. Do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is a courage to give pain, you can ease. Someone's you can place, then do it now, do it now, do it now. Okay, a refrain here. Now, before it is too late, now the time is for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. So, if you want to really give something to someone, don't wait. It may be tomorrow, or it may be you may think that only you may wait for 1 day or 2 days, but some people or some kind of people that 1 day may be 10 days, 1 day may be 1 month, or sometimes the waiting period is very important for those some people. If they want really, they'll wait for 1 month, 1 week, 15 days, 1 month, and so on. Okay, so I hope students this poem is very easy to you all, and it is very understanding. So in day-to-day life also we can apply these things. Right, so I hope and I believe it's very easy poem to you all. So regarding this poem also, soon I am going to send the question answers. If you are having any doubts regarding this poem, or any queries or anything if you want to say, so anyhow you are having my number. Okay. Regarding subject, I repeat, regarding subjects, you can ask me anything. The condition is that you should first prepare something and ask. So don't come idle, don't come with empty mind and ask questions. You should prepare something, you should get ready something, then you come and ask, then it would be very good. If you are coming simply and asking, means it is not good. So read something, prepare something, then if you come and ask, that would be very grateful, that would be very good. So I hope students now this small poem is understood to you all. With the same hope, so Thursday, so we are going to discuss about the next lesson. Before that, so in 3 days, so I'll send the all question answers for this one. Get ready, be prepared, and write separately the classwork or grammar part. So tomorrow I am going to send. Okay. Thank you, my dear friends, for being listen this wonderful class. So I hope so everyone is okay, happy with this class. So thank you so much. See you soon.